Solar flares are fascinating and powerful phenomena that occur on the surface of the Sun. These eruptions of intense radiation and energy can have significant impacts on our planet and technological systems. So, what exactly causes solar flares? Solar flares are primarily caused by the release of magnetic energy stored in the Sun's atmosphere. The Sun is a giant ball of hot, glowing gas, and its surface is covered in a complex network of magnetic fields. These magnetic fields can become twisted and tangled over time, creating regions of intense magnetic activity known as sunspots. When the magnetic fields in these sunspots become highly stressed, they can suddenly snap and reconfigure themselves, releasing a tremendous amount of energy. This energy is unleashed in the form of a solar flare, which is essentially a massive explosion on the Sun's surface. During a solar flare, a tremendous amount of energy is released in the form of electromagnetic radiation, including X-rays and ultraviolet light. This radiation can travel through space and reach Earth in just a matter of minutes. When it reaches our planet, it can have a range of effects. One of the most noticeable effects of solar flares is the stunning display of the northern and southern lights, also known as the auroras. These colorful light shows occur when the charged particles from the solar flare interact with the Earth's magnetic field and atmosphere. However, solar flares can also have more serious consequences. The intense radiation emitted during a flare can disrupt radio communications and satellite operations. It can even pose a risk to astronauts in space, as they are exposed to higher levels of radiation during a flare event. Scientists closely monitor solar flares using instruments and telescopes, both on the ground and in space. By studying these events, they can better understand the Sun's behavior and predict when solar flares are likely to occur. This knowledge is crucial for protecting our technological infrastructure and ensuring the safety of astronauts. Solar flares are powerful eruptions of energy that occur on the Sun's surface. They are caused by the release of magnetic energy stored in the Sun's atmosphere. Solar flares can have both awe-inspiring and potentially disruptive effects on Earth, from the beautiful auroras to disruptions in communication systems.